Hello, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Bootrec Rebuildbcd error. Let's start. Click Troubleshoot. Then Advanced option. Click Command Prompt. Then select your account and log in your password. Then, click Continue. Then you need to type this commands here. Type disk part. Then, type select disk 0. And type list partition. Then you need to select your primary partition. In my case, my primary partition is at partition 4, so make sure you select the primary partition. Now, type primary partition and hit enter. Now, partition 4 is now the selected partition. Then type active, then hit enter. And type exit. Now here, type bcd boot c:\Windows, and hit enter. Boot files are successfully created. Now, type exit and hit continue. Your PC will be restarted, and it will fix your problem. I hope this video fixes your problem, so if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.